Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2015 Hyosung GV250 Aquila. This is Hyosung's mid-size cruiser motorcycle. Has a 250cc V-twin fuel-injected engine, 5-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Bike has only 2,537 miles on the odometer. Very low miles. Bike runs very nicely. Has like new tires, front and rear, low seat height, easy to use power, very easy to ride, great around town, great bike to learn on, user-friendly engine, and priced very nicely at only $25.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach that 408-730-0600.